Hey guys, it's Kaylin. I'm back with another video. So my slimes that I made yesterday. So my purple one. Yesterday it went so bad, but what I ended up doing, I had to add so much water into it. So yeah, it's still a bit sticky. Just let me get it off. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's good. Like, it's not really sticky. Like, I can hold it in my hand. Like, yeah, it's not that sticky. It's really easy to get off. It's a good slime. The only downside about it is that it doesn't glow in the dark. I put some glow in the dark stuff in it, and it does not glow in the dark, which really sucks. But then I have my other slime that I did not make on camera. Just let me put my cap on. So, my other slime that I did not make on camera, which is a very sticky slime. It is, but it's a very, 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 very good slime. If you just like look in there, it's super pretty. Like, it's really sticky, but it makes good sounds. I'm sorry, I'm holding the camera, so you guys can't really hear it. Yeah, I'm holding the camera. That's why you guys can't hear it. It's a very, 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 very sticky. So just, I'm going to put you down so that I could get this off of my hand. So, my blue slime, it's very sticky. It's kind of hard to get it off your hand if you left it on your hand. So that's why I have to play with it first before I do basically anything. So this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like melted Laffy Taffy. To me, that kind of does. That sticks on your hands. But yes, it is a very good slime. But as you guys know, I'm going to be doing slime smoothies if I get 100 subscribers and about 110 likes. So yeah, I will make a slime smoothie. I will pick if I'm doing it with old ones or new ones, or if I'm doing it with old and new ones. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. But I hope you guys like this video. But that is all we're gonna have for this video. So I hope you guys liked it. But first, subscribe, like, and comment first if you were the first one. And also comment down below your favorite kind of slime and your favorite color. And if you are the first, I will make you one and ship it to you. So yeah, bye!